Hey Brown Beauties, so this will be a reaction to a car crash compilation, and it's brought to us by our friends CrashTube. Ooh. That is not good. Oh my gosh.
Hasn't spread effectively over this area, so we should expect hostiles. Ground doors have gone dark, so we should have such enough to do some searching and get to this road. Your family is the main pilot announced. This angle is right over a city crocodile is completely cratered. These people of the church
It's
can
better
see it out.
wipers.
To lean closer to the window to focus on what looked like an eye sitting at the level. He raised his strip to confirm that saw only bones. The violence had touched his violence.
How? Okay.
He lowered his rifle. Remember, our mission is to find.
Well, he's got a bit speedy today. Get a bit too speedy.
Yeah, I've always wanted to do that, but and he's going. Is he going the wrong way?
Oh.
They say, you know what? I got somewhere to be. Tired of these games. Tired of these games. Wow, he really hit him. Wow. I got places to be. What?
Oh my god.
Who does a U-turn in the middle of an intersection? Who does a U-turn in the middle of an intersection? Alright, y'all. What do
You fucking cunt!
it was not
What the fuck?
9% of people would rather not part of the collective.
That's kind of what I'm getting.
I'm at 70.
70? Oh, you have more eager people.
Third.
You guys eager.
That says something about those Facebook people wanting to be part of the collective.
They practically are already.
Wow.
Oh.
Makes sense.
All right, I'm gonna bring this together. We all have some really
No.
I'm assigning some final.
They're driving way too fast for that. Ooh! Now you got stuff falling off your boat. Oh, copyright. Copyright. We're gonna have to mute it, y'all. Okay, okay. Oh, he's not slowing down. Ooh wee. He took the clip. He took the whole. I'll be so mad. Girl, get out the car. Get out the car. Oh, they petty. So you busted your own tire being petty.
can't. I don't think my wheel's on properly. Every time I turn, it like jolts.
Oh my gosh.
My wheel just came off, bro. What the fuck?
The day that I found you, you were easy to love. Now all that you say makes me wanna cry on the floor. 'Cause you make me fall.
How do you not see this big old truck coming? Oh, they ran the red. Dang. Ooh. Mm-mm-mm. And he was coming out nice and careful, too. Wow. The whole hood came off. Oh. Look at this. Wow. They're lucky to be alive with all that. Okay, BMW using the blinker the wrong way. Oh, okay. Okay, driving kind of fast for this turn. Y'all. Oh, snap. I'll run that back. Okay, whoever feels embarrassed. You turn into a lane just like the BMW did. Only for 3 seconds later, now the lane's merging. So you're not getting anywhere. You're right back where you started. I can't stand that. Then it's just like, okay. And the people looking at you like, oh, you thought you were gonna get ahead of me? I was trying. Yeah, they're driving way too fast. He looked behind him like, what the fuck? They got a first aid kit? What's going on? Why is he looking at him like that? Yo! What did they expect? What did they expect to happen? I hope he's okay. Okay, bye. Is this an ambulance? What? Okay. They gonna reverse?
What the heck is going on right here?
Oh my
Person
God.
sparking, all doors open right here. I cannot believe this guy's car is even going down the 405 freeway, but he's making it happen.
This is in LA. Ooh. So how much further do you think he can go?
In here on one wheel, apparently. Rather dangerous.
It's like they don't even know that they're on a wheel. They're probably trying to figure out why they cars.
Situation happening here on the 405. Tailgate open. There's no tailgate party going on in sight, but this guy is just letting it all hang loose right now.
Letting it all hang loose.
Front wheel is definitely out. Let's see what this person's smoking.
Shit.
Ma'am.
She just rolling.
Ma'am.
Ma'am. Ma'am. Oh, you gonna have to start honking. She's in her own, she is thinking about something. She's been through, it's been a day. It has been a day. She is like, I just need to get home. I just need to get home. I hit a couple speed bumps, couple potholes. You know, the rim came off. I saw the rim come off. Hey, I don't know about this tire, but I saw that rim. I just keep going. Just keep going. You know? Mom told me never give up. Just persevere. We're gonna persevere without this tire on a 405. Bam! Ooh, that was like a brand new car. That was like a brand new car. There is no rust on that. Okay. Oh, now okay. We got her attention now. Okay, ma'am. She just waving. Y'all, yeah. I.
Miss, get out of the car.
Oh, she's on something. She's on something.
Are you on drugs right now?
I'm just on my prescription.
I don't know, my car gave out. I mean, I had somebody help me before, and apparently the brake did not stop.
Do you know you're driving on...
The brake didn't stop. The brake didn't stop when your tire came off, so you just kept going? Is that what you're saying? There's a brand new car, y'all. She don't know. She... It's too fat. It's too much for her. It's too much.
Wheels right now? Your wheel's completely out. You just crashed into this gentleman right here.
She crashed, so she made it off the freeway. Oh, that's... Okay, so she's saying the brakes gave out because there's no tires. So the e-brake, you didn't think?
You're a hazard. You're on the freeway.
80 miles on the freeway, on the three wheels.
I'm going to trade it.
You need to get out of the car.
I will.
Just get out of the car, miss.
Just leave the car.
You're on drugs right now. You're on painkillers. There's
So
some...
leave
Yes,
the
you are.
Yeah, you on some prescription?
Oh my God.
You are
Oh my god.
on some drugs right now.
Oh my God, absolutely.
Put your car...
This is so scary. They're falling out of her bed. Wow. She's just popping and driving. Yeah, y'all. Well, this was a good video. Definitely be safe. Be safe on these roads. People just doing whatever. They're literally just handing out driver's license. You 18? You over 21? Just get out of here. Just get out of here. Give us the $40. Get up on your day. Get up on your day. Like, some people need to go back and take the driving test. Forget a smog check. We need